Alright guys, we got a Samsung unit here. This is an older Samsung, but these are good. Not all Samsungs are the same. This guy is pretty old, but we got a little noise going on, so I want you to hear it. Alright, so we got a code here, F23. Alright, so we're gonna go into spin. Alright, so we're gonna have a little bit of water, nothing too crazy. You mind handing it to me? Thank you. So your pump is partly damaged. You see the impeller?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so half of it's eaten up, but it might be okay. Here's your issue.
What is it?
You would tell me. It's been in there for years.
Piece of plastic. Wow.
What do you think it is?
I have no idea.
That's the first. I didn't recognize that.
Somebody's pocket.
Just you and the wife here, or you have other people?
No, I got her daughter's here.
Oh, okay. So yeah, it could be.
Yeah, you never know.
Usually I like to know what the heck it is, but sometimes it's just a mystery. I found guitar picks, you name it, other stuff. Now, I don't think you have anything in your tub to pump. I usually like to check them to dump anything out.
How about a tea instead?
It has to be water.
That's gotta be what I don't.
Yes, sir. Nah, don't worry if you don't have.
Well, I don't know what the hell it is.
I don't do no sugars or nothing. Yes, sir. Appreciate it though, either way.
That is fine.
You hear
I
that?
don't know what the heck. They drink it so fast. I think. Oh. Then they don't replace it.
They're draining. So